lobat mo.
Sambasa. Nice. Okay, Simba's ready. How about you, Zelda? You need some more to sing? Sigurado ka? Okay, now Simba's ready. Zorda is ready. Let the games begin. Round one. In a sort of one.
Ay, malapit
All
ko.
we have
Kaya
to do
ganun.
is very simple.
Kailangan ko kaya.
You simply okay. Zorda, your turn. Come on.
Buti na panoorin mo na yun.
Third. Wow, how about this one? Round two. Also, this is let's make it a little harder, okay? Wala na lang ako ng After three, come on. Come on. After three, come on. Okay, look down and roll. After you choose, go to water or lay down and roll. Here ka na lang. Okay. Guys, how about the dancer?
Ano, babasa siya eh.
Down. And roll. Roll.
Okay, tama.
So guys, tell me, do you want more? I can hear you. I said final round. So that's all we have to do is stay right there first. Let's simply slide Don't forget to stop. Okay? Gagawin mo, simple, slide and stop. Okay, sir?
Kailangan sa atin lalaki. Diba?
How about big hands?
Isang balik. Stop yan dito. Stop yan dito. Malas kasi yan eh. Kasama nila yan. Ha? Kasama nila yan. Late pumasok yan eh. Late siya pumasok kanina eh. Hindi na fish yan. Ha? Kasama nila yan. Kasama nila yan. Kasama nila yan. Kasi kung hindi nila kasama nila pag ganyan, kasi walang damit eh.
Slide and stop. Hindi slide and swim. Well, guys, in our competition, we have a winner. Now tell me, who do you think the winner is? Seba? Come on, for Seba. Alright.
sabi niya bakit yung ano, di ba? Hindi siya mismo gano'n. The black.
Kasama nila.
Bakit